Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm coming out with a TEMU haul. Nothing fancy at the beginning. I'm cutting to the chase because this is the third time I've filmed this. This is a set of oil paint markers. Oneida. No, they're not Oneida. Like the Oneida, but they're overseas brand. Excited to try these. I've had paint markers in the past. I've had the Oneida brand in the past. Okay, let me see. Next, I've got this little mini iron. Okay, this ought to work perfectly for, I've got just a few, iron-on HTV kind of projects I want to try. And of course, ammo. You might think I haven't bought that many molds off TEMU, but that's only because I started out with way too many, even before TEMU. If those are in there, then where's the top? Where could it? There it is. Okay, I'm an idiot. This is a roll of thank you labels. I had to put some tape on the front because the box wouldn't close and I want them to stay in the box. Oh, goodness. Let me see if I can find one where you can see. Thank you for your order. Alright. I believe it is 100 of those. I'd have to look on the thing and see. I'm sorry, y'all. I've done this, like I said, this is the third time. I'm not gonna look up the process again. This is a bottle stopper set of fairy lights. You know, they go down in the bottle. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. These are, I'll go ahead and show you one. They're just different lengths. Not links. Lengths. There is a word that, boy, you could really confuse somebody with. They're head pins, silver head pins, but they're horrible color. I don't care that they're twisted and bent. I don't care about that. It's the color that is. No jewelry designer would. No. Just no. These are the 70mm. These are the 50mm. Pooey on that. No, I'm not gonna contact them. They were like 78 cents. This is one of those that's got 4 replacement blades. This is one of those pen blades. Okay, I'm excited to try that. And I did just get it in the clear. They had several colors. That goes over there, that goes over there. Did that. This is where it cut out on me last time. Oh, these are feather stickers. I'm thinking somewhere it said the color. Maybe on this side. No. They're blue. I'll just take out a few of them here. Like I said, they're stickers, so you peel apart the plastic part off. Wow, those are cute. And there's 2 of each one. If I could hold on to them. Those are like a guinea feather. These are like a blue jay feather. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I got the same thing in the green ones, because, you know, feathers. Oh, and of course I just grabbed the same feathers. Those look like blue jay feathers. Really, really pretty. Looking forward to using these. I intended, my thoughts behind this initially were for bookmarks. You know, you want something long and thin to decorate bookmarks. And then I got these because these were on a lining deal. And all the rest of all the rest of the designs that I thought were pretty were sold out. These are just greenery. Okay, let's say 4 times now. I got through the feather part this time. This is a little treasure bag. Maybe what it's called. I would call it a jewel bag. Treasure bag may be what it's listed as. It comes with these little rhinestones to put around, and you can kind of see it because of course I've already made this. It's really cute. Okay. Little treasure bag. Then these 3 skulls, and the skulls are just regular rounded skulls. The flat part is just for them to stand on. These are really stretchy, really easy to get your piece out of when you're done. I mean, they're simple, and these have a lot of stuff in them from last time. Oh, those are so nice. I don't know how long they'll last, but these are really, really nice skull molds. I'm super impressed with these. Then there's this little shell mold. Perfect size for like a soap dish, a perfect trinket dish. You could mold this, and then when it comes out, put a little more UV resin in the bottom, a little ocean color. Oh, perfect ocean theme. Oh, this would be so cute. And once again, I've already done it. So, last but not least, sorry, is this one. Again, I've already made it. Two things about this mold, though. One, it doesn't come out shiny, okay? But it doesn't come out really matte, either. It comes out with a kind of satin finish. That being said, it's a trinket dish mold, obviously. The bottom part is gigantic. But this top part, like the lattice dish that I did, if you pour this just with resin, it's going to be an inch thick slab of resin. I mean, it's going to be thick. Watch my video, I did something different. Now, I've seen it done, in a ocean colored clear, and then they put little, you know, ocean themed things, fish, plants, sand. It was adorable. Okay, one of the things I'll point out, it does look really shiny, okay? It does look really shiny. But when you take it out, it's only like that shiny, not that shiny. That shiny would be better. But again, all you have to do is spray a coat of spray clear sealer, 2 times Rust-Oleum or something like that. Clear spray sealer, glossy. Okay. I believe that's it. I believe I didn't forget anything this time. And if this camera cuts out on me again, I'm gonna throw it out the window. This is a TEMU haul. I have a 30% off first time buyers coupon, and an affiliate link, both listed below. If you buy anything through the affiliate link, I will get a little bit of kickback from it. I also have an Amazon shop that I have listed things like the resin dyes, the glitters, mica powders that I normally use. If you buy anything through that link, I'll get a little bit of kickback from it. I have recently opened up a Facebook page. If any of you wonderful people want to send me a friend request, ask me questions, I'm usually around there. I've opened up a super thanks button under the video. I've opened up a buy me a coffee link in the description box, as well as an Amazon wish list in the description box, if any of that interests you. This is what we did today, a TEMU haul. I'm hauled out, y'all. I hope y'all had a great weekend. It was hot, 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 hot here. It was 95 degrees this morning. Before the internet went out, which was at like noon. It was 95 degrees, so I don't know what it is now. Hot. It's been 100 plus all week, so I'm gonna say thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.